Hey, there's the airplane. My mallard. I don't know if that's mine or not. I think that's mine. That mine was yellow and green though. That one was mine. That one there was mine. That's mine right there. Yellow. That's mine right there, yellow. Ah. Landing. One. Here on the land. Here's the one you got. I gave that one to you. That wasn't too good of a landing. Another one of my airplanes. My neighbor, Bill Parkins, he's the one that got me involved in these things. Got me started on radio control. Them big old heat kits they used to fly with. There's our house, again, where the door used to be on the side. I think those pants look nice on you, Dolores. I think they were classy. Here we are at the fair. Gatticoke Fair. We had a display on up there, trying to get people interested in our club. Mine was the white one. Well, it was one of mine. That was Guy's airplane right there. That one was mine, I think. The white one. Where's the white one? That one, right? Crack. Bill Parkins talking to somebody about getting them flying. That one right there is mine. Red one. See, you're standing right near it. Remember his name? Lars. Labarge. Chuck Labarge. Chuck Labarge with the pipe. Dick Ryan. These two guys did radio work. They were in radio and television. They used to repair them. That's why we used to have the heat kits, and they used to tune them all in for us. Chuck Labarge with a cigar in his mouth. Sun. Airplane ready to fly, I guess. Checking it out for me. Dolores. Tuning it up. Adjusting my airlines for me. Yeah. This is over here in the field in Boston Spark. There it is, ready to go. First time. Huh? Had a cigarette in my mouth. Airplane, that's an I-winger. We had a couple airplanes there that time. I think that was my airplane. My yellow one. Yeah, that was the yellow one I had. The yellow and green one. It landed in a tree, yeah. Those radios weren't too good in those days. That's on the snow in the field. We had skis. White airplanes look nice in a blue sky. On a cloudy day when it was white, you couldn't see them. The Mambo, that was Bill Parkin's airplane. That thing just about flew by itself. So big and slow. The yellow one was mine. They were all in a row. Bill Parkin's flying. Laying on the field. I had to go get it. Mine, the yellow one. I don't know who the other twos were. Probably Chuck's. Never liked this picture taken, Chuck LaBarge. Every time I took his picture, he'd run like hell, turned away. My yellow one right there. All excited. There it goes.